Hello and welcome to the Introductory Art video series brought to you by the Florida Interactive Entertainment Academy. My name is John and I will be your host as we dive into the basics of 3D modeling using Autodesk Maya. Maya is one of the more commonly used 3D packages in the games, VFX, and film industry, and you will be using it as your primary modeling tool at FIEA. We will be going over several key aspects of Maya's user interface and modeling functionality, with focus placed heavily on building polygonal assets for games. This lecture series is designed to be broken down into step-by-step components so that in the event you get stuck on any aspect of the program, you should easily be able to go back and review content on that specific topic. This tutorial will also be project-based in that we will be constructing a simple low-poly car model from scratch from orthographic reference images which I've provided for you in a link in the description of the video. For this project, you will need a working copy of Maya and a working copy of Photoshop in order to follow along and complete all aspects of the program. Note that this will be the first of several videos generated by FIEA faculty and alum, with the expectation that you will have reviewed this content as practice before coming into the program. The goal of these videos is to A. Get you quickly up to speed on the foundations of modeling in 3D, B. Cover the basics of creating a game-ready mesh for export into an engine like Unity, C. Cover the basics of 3D modeling tools necessary for creating RPP assets, or rapid prototype, and D. Create a resource for non-artist team members to be able to look up and learn about Maya so that they can quickly and easily assist with asset construction for their projects. We will be covering topics ranging from an overview of Maya's graphical user interface, how to navigate in 3D space, how to work with and manipulate primitive geometry like cubes and spheres, how Maya organizes scenes, files, and folders, how to set up reference images as guides for creating a 3D model, how to set up a shelf with some of the more commonly used polygonal modeling tools, an overview of grouping, parenting, and other relationship hierarchies, an overview of UVs, materials, shaders, and textures, an overview of three-point lighting using point and spotlight, an overview of rendering using Maya's mental ray renderer, an overview of scripting and using the command line, an overview of keyframe animation, and then finally an overview of cleaning up your scene file to get an asset ready for export into Unity. We have lots to cover, and I'm looking forward to teaching you all some of the stuff that I know. And so without further ado, let's jump right into our first video and talk a little bit about Maya's user interface.